Hey guys, we're going to do a perspective picture today, and perspective just means how we look at things far away and how things get smaller as they go further away and look bigger when they're closer to us. So we're going to do 1-point perspective. It's the easiest kind of perspective to do, and it means you're looking down at something or out at something that's all going in the same direction. So I'll show you as we go. To start 1-point perspective, you need 1 point. So pick somewhere on your paper, be the vanishing point. That means the farthest away where everything looks like it's disappearing. I'll put mine over here. Okay, now if this is the vanishing point, it means a horizontal line through this point is our horizon line. So take your ruler and draw your horizon line. Now make sure your horizon line's not crooked, unless you want your horizon crooked, but you shouldn't. You want your horizon flat in this situation, so it should be the same as the top of your paper. It didn't even work. Just a second. There we go. So now I have my horizon. If you don't know what the horizon is, it's just where the sky meets the ground, and it's as far away as you can see. Okay? So we've got our horizon, and we've got our vanishing point. Now we need to draw the thing that vanishes. We're going to do the easy stuff, a train track or a road. So look at your pencil at your vanishing point and put your ruler down at an angle, however you want your train track or your road to look. So you could have it coming kind of straight down more or angled out more. Do like this. Okay, so that's one side of the road. Now we got to make the other side. Again, the pencil is at the vanishing point, and we just pull the ruler to wherever we want the other side of the road. There's how wide you want the road. Like that. There we go. And so we can start seeing. You can imagine this is a road that goes on for a very long way until it disappears at the horizon line. Now the cool part is that we can add details now. This was the very simplest step. Now let's see, next to our train track or road, this is the train track. Let's see, I'm going to make the rails by making some more lines a little bit thicker. And then we can make straight lines that are further apart, and then as they get closer to the horizon line, they get closer and closer together until they're just kind of a blur. See, it's closer to us in the picture, further apart, bigger, closer to the horizon and the vanishing point, smaller. Okay? Now if we want to make some telephone poles, we need to make, I think I'll make them on this side of the road, or the train track, or whatever we're making. And I'll draw the line for the bottom of the poles, and then the line for the top of the poles. And then I can make straight up and down lines to show where the poles are. So there's one, then I'll move over a little bit, 2, and then I need to making them closer and closer together. Remember, as things get further away, they look closer and closer. There we go. So there's our poles, but they're not done because they need some detailing to make them look right, huh? Make them thick, and then add the cross beam, the part that goes across. You can add the wire. Anyway, so you'll keep adding details to make your 2-point perspective. You can even make houses over here. Some lines that go up. That would be the side of the house. So connect it with your horizon line, your vanishing point. So this could be the side of a house, like maybe there's a city next to this road, and there's windows and doors. Okay, so we'll keep working on that. you have a whole picture. You can add more buildings. It's all about adding the details after this. But that's one-point perspective. Everything disappears to one point. And as it gets closer to the point, everything gets real small. Okay? Now these lines here, the horizon line and this, if they go through a house or something, you can erase them because those are just guidelines. So, but you only see them if you can actually see that far away, which you probably can't. Okay guys, have fun making your one-point perspective pictures. Bye-bye.